Question number 46 is stated as two blocks of lead, one twice as heavy as the other, are both at 50 degrees centigrade. The ratio of the heat content of the heavier block to that of the lighter block is. Heat absorbed by the block is generally written as Q is equal to mc delta T. Here m is the mass, c is the specific heat capacity, and delta T is the temperature. As both blocks are made up of lead, so c will be constant, and also temperature is maintained at 50 degrees centigrade, so delta T is also constant. Hence the only parameter on which the heat absorbed depend is the mass. And heat absorbed by the lighter mass is proportional to simple m, and heat absorbed by the heavier block will be proportional to 2m, as the heavier block is twice as massive as the lighter one. If we calculate the ratio of heat absorbed by heavier block to that of lighter block, then we simply get as 2. That is, heat absorbed by heavier block is equal to 2 times the heat absorbed by the lighter block. So the answer to question number 46 is simply 2. That is, the heat absorbed by the heavier block is 2 times the heat absorbed by the lighter block. In question number 47, we have given that heat is closely related to, and the options are pressure, energy, temperature, and frequency. As heat is a form of energy, so it is most closely related to the energy. So the answer to question number 47 is energy. In question number 48, we are asked about sublimation. It is a process in which a solid substance directly vaporizes without going to a liquid phase. So sublimation is the process of direct vaporization of solids. Direct vaporization of solids. Direct vaporization of solids. So the answer to question number 48 is the direct vaporization of solids without going into the liquid phase. Question number 49 is stated as under conditions corresponding to its triplet point a substance is. A triplet point is a point where a substance can exist simultaneously in liquid, gas, and the solid phase. So the answer to question number 49 is gas, liquid, and solids. A substance can exist in all these three states at a triplet point. In question number 50, we are asked that the ratio between the energy dissipated in some process and the heat that appears as a result is the. It is simple definition of mechanical equivalent of heat. The option to this question are the triplet point, the triple point. First option is triple point. Second option is specific heat. Third is kilocalorie, and the fourth is mechanical equivalent of heat. Mechanical equivalent of heat. As we already discussed the triple point, so this option is not relevant to the question number 50. Specific heat is also something else, and kilocalorie is just the unit of heat. So the only option left which is correct one is the mechanical equivalent of heat. So the answer to question number 50 is the mechanical equivalent of heat.